Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Reka AI for translation as you can use it to translate text quickly and easily in different languages. So let's get started. First open any web browser. Within the search bar, type Reka.ai, then press enter and you will be redirected to the official Reka page. Within it, tap Try Reka and make sure that you are logged in with an account if you have not logged in prior. On the home page, you can just go to the Explore section and select the Reka chat or click the chat icon from the left side menu. This opens the Reka AI chat interface. In the message box, paste the text that you want to translate. This can be a sentence, a paragraph, study notes, business contents, as well as message or emails. After pasting the text, clearly mention the language that you want. Then press enter. Now you can see that the Reka is successfully converting the text within your preferred language. You can also ask Reka AI to translate between any two languages, as Reka AI will show the translated text instantly. If you want to improve the translation style, you can customize the translation by asking the follow-up questions. For official or legal documents, always make sure to double check the translation, as you can use the Reka AI as a quick and helpful translation assistant, and that's how you can easily use Reka AI for translation. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.